In this video, we're going to use factoring. We're going to do factoring using the sum of cubes or the difference of cubes. And we're going to do 3 examples. The key to factoring these polynomials that are perfect cubes, and what that means is for the sum or difference of cubes, you will only have 2 terms always, and both terms are perfect cubes, which means I can take the cube root of each one of them and I'll get a whole number. Okay, so in the first example, what you want to do is always try and rewrite your polynomial as cubes, and that will help identifying what A and what B is so that we can use the formula. Okay, so in this case, x cubed is written okay. It's written as a cube, but 8 is not written as a cube, so let's write it as a cube. That would be 2 cubed. That's 8. Okay, I rewrote it now. Identify what A is. This is what A is here. Here's A. A is your x, and this is B. B is 2. So A equals x, B equals 2. Now, since I have a difference of cubes, I'm going to use this equation here, this formula. So it says that A cubed minus B cubed will equal A minus B times A squared plus A times B plus B squared. Now, since A is x and B is 2, I'm just going to plug these numbers in. Okay, so I have x cubed minus 2 cubed, which is the original polynomial, is equal to A. A is x minus B. B is 2. A squared. A is x squared plus A times B. A times B is multiplying x times 2. That is 2x. And B squared. And B squared is 2 squared because B is 2. And there you have it. And now all you have to do is rewrite 2 squared as 4. And you're done. That's how you would factor x cubed minus 8. Let's do the second example. I have x to the 6th power plus 27. First step always is identify, are these cubes? They are. I can rewrite this as a cube, and I can rewrite this as a cube, so I can use the sum of cubes in this case. X to the 6th power I can rewrite as x squared all raised to the 3rd power, and there I wrote it as a cube, plus 27 I can write as 3 cubed. Okay, so now this is A and this is B. Let's write it here to the side. A is equal to x squared, B is equal to 3. Now let's use our sum of cubes formula. Our sum of cube formula says that that will equal A plus B times A squared minus A times B plus B squared. So let's plug in our A's and our B's. A is x squared, plus B. B is 3. That's my first term. A squared is x squared. So for A, we write x squared, but A is raised to the 2nd power, so I have to raise my A to the 2nd power, minus A times B. A is x squared, B is 3, so x squared times 3, that's 3x squared, plus B squared, and B is 3, so 3 squared. And now we simplify, and x squared raised to the 2nd power is x to the 4th power minus 3x squared plus 9. And you're done. Example 3. Again, rewrite everything as cubes. X is written as a cube, but 8 is not. And 1 is not written as a cube. So let's go ahead. 8 I can rewrite as 2 to the 3rd power, x to the 3rd power, minus 1 to the 3rd power. Everything is written as a cube. Now notice 2 times x. I can rewrite this as 2x and raise everything to the 3rd power, because that will give me 2 to the 3rd power, x to the 3rd power, minus 1 to the 3rd power. So now everything is written as a cube. This will be A, and this will be b. So a is equal to 2x, and b is equal to 1. Now let's use our formula. Since it's a difference of cubes, I'm going to use this one. So this should be equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. That equals a. What is a? A is 2x. So 2x minus b. b is 1. And then a squared. A is 2x. 2x, and we square it because it's a squared plus a times b. That's 2x times 1. 2x. And then plus b squared. And b squared is 1 squared. And now we simplify and we get 2x minus 1 times 2x squared means 2 squared x squared. So that would be 4x squared plus 2x plus 1. And there's your final answer. I encourage you again to do these on your own and then come back to check the answer.